Hi, my name's Steve Walker from Promise Money, and today I'm going to be talking about bridging loans, but more specifically bridging loans where people may have bad credit. Now this can come in a number of forms and a number of reasons why somebody might want a bridging loan. You might be looking for a bridging loan and you've actually got bad credit at the moment and you're wondering whether you can get one. I'll talk about that in a moment. But some people actually use bridging loans to get out of bad credit, to pay it all off, and I'll talk about that too. So let's just look at a number of scenarios. I think the key thing is, if you've got bad credit and you're thinking of taking out a bridging loan, whilst it's not as important to the lender about the state of your credit as it might be for a mortgage, they do still take it into consideration. So if you have got bad credit, it could mean that they might reduce the loan to value, they might increase the rate, but it's not as significant. It's not necessarily going to stop you from getting a bridging loan as it would with a mortgage. So there are the lenders that can cope with that. But I guess the key thing to think about is if you're taking out a bridging loan, it's always with regards to an exit. You know, a bridging loan is a means to an end. You're borrowing money now to do something with a view that at some point in the future you're going to exit that bridging loan. And the exit from a bridging loan is normally you're either going to sell a property, the property that's secured on, or it's another property, you could be moving house, or you're going to refinance it. And if you've got bad credit, then you need to think about, if I've got bad credit, can I actually get a refinance? So that's where a good broker is going to be really important to you, because they're going to look at that for you, and they'll always make sure that you've got an exit so that you can actually get out of the bridging loan, because you don't want to be stuck in an expensive bridging loan for a long period of time. So take that into consideration. What's your exit? Let's talk for a moment now about people who are maybe borrowing to deal with bad credit. And it sounds like a crazy thing to do. Why would you do that? But sometimes you need to get rid of some bad credit so that you can then remortgage on better terms in the future, or remortgage at all. If you've got some seriously bad credit now, you might not be able to remortgage, and you might not be in a position from your earnings to be able to pay all of that bad credit off, whereas a bridging loan could allow you to pay off all that bad credit, get rid of it in one go. That sort of wipes the slate clean. Okay, you've still got this history behind you, but once you've gone 12 months, you might then be able to refinance onto better terms, or refinance at all. So some people use bridging loans for that purpose. I guess the key point here is, if you are using it for credit repair, or you've got bad credit now, the important thing is to talk to a broker who does bridging loans, secured loans, mortgages, regulated mortgages, and can look at the whole picture for you, because a bridging loan is a more costly way of borrowing, and it's not a magic bullet, and there could be a better way of doing it. So if you're watching this thinking I need a bridging loan, get rid of that thought. Just think of what you're trying to achieve, and then talk to somebody who can give you options to do that. And like I say, it could be a mortgage, could be a loan, could be a bridging loan, it could be a combination of things. So whatever the circumstances that are, then don't have any preconceptions. So I think the key point here is, yes, bridging loans are available if you've got bad credit. Yes, they are available if you're trying to pay off bad credit. It's going to come down to, what's the equity in the property they're offering as security? Is it your main residence, or is it another property? And what's the exit? Those are the key things. And if there isn't a clear exit, bridging isn't for you. Okay, talk to an expert, and hopefully they'll be able to steer you in the right direction. I hope that's helpful. Do get in touch if we can be of any assistance, but more importantly, do like our channel and do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.